Imagine a forest so vast it dwarfs the Amazon, so productive it rivals all the world's rainforests combined. This forest is not on land but in the sunlit surface waters of our oceans. It is a forest of microscopic algae called phytoplankton, the unsung heroes of our planet's life support system. These single-celled organisms, too small to be seen individually with the naked eye, are the foundation of the marine food web. Everything from microscopic zooplankton to giant whales ultimately depends on these tiny plants, but their importance extends far beyond the ocean's depths. Phytoplankton play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. They are responsible for producing a significant portion of the oxygen we breathe. They also absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of phytoplankton, exploring their vital role in our planet's health and the potential they hold for mitigating climate change. Every breath we take is a testament to the power of phytoplankton, those tiny yet mighty organisms that float in the ocean's depths. These microscopic algae are responsible for producing roughly half of the oxygen in our atmosphere, a staggering contribution to life on Earth. In fact, they produce more oxygen than all the world's rainforests combined, showcasing their incredible efficiency. How do they achieve this remarkable feat? The secret lies in their unique biological processes. The answer lies in the process of photosynthesis, a natural marvel. Just like plants on land, phytoplankton contain chlorophyll, a pigment that captures sunlight and initiates this vital process. They use this energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugars, which they use for growth and energy, sustaining their life cycles. As a byproduct of this process, they release oxygen into the water, enriching the marine environment. This oxygen eventually diffuses into the atmosphere, replenishing the air we breathe and sustaining terrestrial life. The next time you take a deep breath, remember the tiny phytoplankton working tirelessly in the ocean depths to provide us with this life-sustaining gas, a true gift from the sea. Their role in oxygen production is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth, linking the smallest organisms to the largest ecosystems. It highlights the crucial role these microscopic organisms play in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's atmosphere, ensuring the continuity of life as we know it. Phytoplankton are not only responsible for the air we breathe, but also play a critical role in regulating Earth's climate. They act as natural carbon capture machines, drawing down vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process is known as the biological carbon pump. As phytoplankton grow and photosynthesize, they absorb carbon dioxide from the surrounding water. This carbon is then incorporated into their bodies. When they die, some of these phytoplankton sink to the ocean floor, effectively locking away the carbon they absorbed during their lifetime. Over millions of years, this process has helped regulate Earth's climate by removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it in the deep ocean. This natural carbon sink is a vital part of the Earth's climate system. However, the efficiency of the biological pump is influenced by various factors, including the availability of nutrients. One crucial nutrient often in short supply is iron. Section 4. The iron link, a limiting factor for phytoplankton growth. Just like humans need iron for healthy blood, phytoplankton require iron for growth and survival. Iron is an essential micronutrient that plays a vital role in many cellular processes, including photosynthesis. However, iron is often scarce in the surface waters of the ocean, particularly in vast regions known as high-nutrient, low-chlorophyll zones. In these areas, phytoplankton growth is limited by the lack of iron, despite the abundance of other nutrients. This iron limitation has profound implications for the ocean's ability to absorb carbon dioxide. If phytoplankton growth is restricted by iron availability, their capacity to draw down carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is also reduced. This realization has led to a controversial but fascinating area of research: iron fertilization. Section 5. A sea of green: iron fertilization and its potential. The idea behind iron fertilization is simple. If iron limits phytoplankton growth in certain areas, could we artificially add iron to the ocean to stimulate their growth and enhance carbon uptake? This question has fueled a series of experiments, often sparking both excitement and debate. In these experiments, scientists have deliberately added iron to specific ocean regions. The results have been striking. In some cases, iron fertilization has led to massive phytoplankton blooms, turning the water a vibrant green. These blooms visible from space demonstrate the potential of iron fertilization to boost phytoplankton growth. The hope is that these blooms would absorb significant amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, potentially mitigating climate change. However, the reality is far more complex and uncertain. Section 6. Unintended consequences. The risks and uncertainties of iron fertilization. While the idea of fertilizing the ocean to combat climate change might seem appealing, it is fraught with potential risks and uncertainties. The concept involves adding iron to ocean waters to stimulate the growth of phytoplankton, which can absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The ocean is a complex and interconnected ecosystem where every organism plays a crucial role in maintaining balance. Tampering with one part of the system can have unforeseen and potentially harmful consequences for other parts, disrupting the delicate equilibrium. One concern is the impact of artificial iron fertilization on marine food webs, which are intricate and sensitive to changes. While increased phytoplankton growth might seem beneficial, it could lead to imbalances in the ecosystem, affecting various marine species. For example, it could favor certain types of phytoplankton over others, potentially harming other marine life that depend on them for food and habitat. Another concern is the potential for unintended consequences that could arise from such interventions. Adding large amounts of iron to the ocean could stimulate the growth of harmful algal blooms or create oxygen-depleted dead zones in the ocean, which are detrimental to marine life. Given these uncertainties, many scientists urge caution when considering iron fertilization as a climate change solution. They emphasize the need for thorough research and small-scale experiments. More research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits and risks before we embark on large-scale interventions in the ocean ecosystem. Only with comprehensive knowledge can we make informed decisions that safeguard our planet's future. Section 7. Looking ahead, the future of phytoplankton and climate change. As we grapple with the challenges of climate change, understanding the intricate link between phytoplankton and our planet's health becomes increasingly crucial. These tiny organisms are the foundation of the marine food web and play a significant role in carbon cycling. These microscopic algae play a vital role in regulating Earth's climate. They produce a substantial portion of the oxygen we breathe and sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They are both influenced by and contribute to the very changes we are experiencing. Their health and abundance directly affect marine ecosystems and global climate patterns. Rising ocean temperatures, ocean acidification, and changes in nutrient availability are all impacting phytoplankton populations in complex ways. These changes can lead to shifts in species composition and productivity. Some species may thrive in these changing conditions, while others may struggle to survive. This imbalance can have cascading effects on marine food webs and biodiversity. The future of phytoplankton research lies in unraveling these complexities. Scientists are working tirelessly to predict how these changes will unfold and what they mean for our oceans. We need to understand how climate change will impact different phytoplankton species and their ability to absorb carbon dioxide. This knowledge is crucial for developing effective climate strategies. We also need to develop sustainable and ethical approaches to harnessing the potential of phytoplankton for climate mitigation. This includes exploring their use in biofuels and carbon sequestration. The future of our planet may depend on our ability to understand and protect these tiny but mighty organisms. Collaborative efforts and innovative research are key to ensuring their survival. They are the unseen forest of the sea, the breath of the ocean, and the key to a sustainable future. By safeguarding phytoplankton, we are investing in the health of our planet and future generations.